Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So we have this box scraper in now, and we need to make a adapter for it to fit on a matbro headstock then. You know, matbro brackets for a loader. So that's the job now. So here you go, with matbro type pin and cone brackets.
Here's the deal, I'm the best there is, plain and simple.
So basically you're going to make a square frame. This flat bar then is going to go on the ends to cap that off and strengthen it. Then, so at the bottom here we'll have a plate with a hole in it for one lower link. At the top here in the middle we'll have a plate with a slot in it for the top link. So we have a slot in the middle so it can float a bit about really. At the other side for the low link we'll have a loop or slot for it so it can sort of float sideways as well. So this frame now will allow the scraper to follow ground every which way, so no risk of wearing out the rubbers too fast or damaging the frame really. So that's the plan. So that's it, pretty much done. Sorry I didn't actually film much of it, just flat out at it really.
Is that all you got? Is that all you got? You ain't got nothing. You ain't got nothing.
So instead of a slot, so bend some flat bar, some fixed stuff into U's. And that'll be the slots. So the pin will go in here and ride up and down there and there. And you can ride up and down that and go in and out. So should work out quite well. It's on its side now to actually finish off welding. And I've just finished it now, so it's boiling hot now. Next job is to take a grinding disc and go around it and get rid of sharp corners like that corner there, and cross a gusset to cut the steel, etc. So it's nice on your hands basically, so if you're handling it you don't cut yourself. Then a coat of paint then and it's done. So that's it done. It's still wet now with paint. I painted the loops and then put it on and then painted the rest of it. So I let it dry off like this really. But that's it really. So I'll show it a bit better now. So see the loop here now allows it up and down and in and out as well. So there's plenty of movement there. And there's two loops at the bottom as well, which only allow up and down. So that can go up and down, that can go up and down. So that could go up, that could go down, so it can go like that or like that, whichever way you really want. And as I said there, this top link can go in and out or up and down. So it can go like that or like that. So it doesn't matter what this machine has solid axles. This scraper will just follow the floor like it should really. So it can go up and down that way, every sort of way. And if you put it down then, there's no risk of you pressing it down too hard or tipping it too hard really. The scraper just follow ground. Plus the scraper can actually, move about as well, the pivots there. So yeah, it's really flexible really. It'll follow ground good and scrape good really. So thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then. So a marketplace find. So this now will go on our 695 case, a Stockman special. So international weight frame for it. So it's a black one. So it came off a case 85 series. So 885 sort of thing, with a black chassis. So well, painted red really. So I'll give this a wire brush now. And when I paint the scraper frame, I can paint this at the same time while the brush is dirty basically. So yeah, that's the plan.